recording. Okay, so Amy, so how did you find out about us?
Actually found out about Green Dental from the internet. I was just searching for dentists around the area. I live in Sherman Oaks, and it was the closest one to me. It was only a few blocks away, and I read a whole bunch of reviews, and everything I read was positive. It was actually the first dentist that I found out about and the first one I went to, and it's the one I stuck to.
That's really great. So then when you came in for an exam, and they had presented like possibly doing some veneers for you, what was like your first reaction like?
I honestly couldn't even believe it. I've had tetracycline stains on my teeth my entire life, and I knew getting veneers was my only option. Veneers can be pretty pricey just because it is such a long, I don't even know the word for it. Sorry. Yeah, it's just, it's not cheap because there is a lot to do with it. It's a very, it's a long process. But just hearing that it was actually possible for me just kind of blew my mind. It's something that I never really saw for myself. It's something I always wanted to do, but Green Dental made it possible for me. Just as far as, I just moved out here from Texas about 6 months ago. I'm completely on my own. I don't have, any help from my parents or anything, and Green Dental made it possible for me to do this for myself. And I've had great, a great payment plan set up, and everything like that. So I'm able to pay monthly, and it's something I can't afford, and it's completely changed my life. Definitely.
Great. Awesome. And then how about when you come in for your visits, like what were some of your experiences? How is the staff, like everything in a whole sort of thing?
From day one, everyone has just made me feel completely comfortable. When you do come in for visits, they make you feel as comfortable as possible, giving you blankets, giving you pillows, offering you water. As far as calling you the days after the checkup to see how you're doing, they call you before appointments just to, remind you of it. And I don't think I've ever been so close with any of the staff at a dentist before. Everyone is just super nice, and I feel very, very comfortable around them. Definitely.
And now about your end result, how do you feel? I mean, how is this experience you've transformed into,
It's just, I'm tearing up. It's just like, it's changed my life. I mean, completely. I never thought that this would be possible for me at all, and it's weird being able to smile and be confident about that, because that's something I'd been insecure about my entire life. And just being able to smile and all that, I mean, it's what Green Dental did for me, and I can't thank them enough.